Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram Reels and story save option not showing, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your Instagram app. After opening the Instagram, just tap on this reel option. Guys, you can see here just below the message icon you will see one icon, just tap on that. After that you can see add reel to your story, just tap on that. After that you can see here top right side corner 3 dot, just tap on that. You can see here the save option is not showing here. Just you need to take the screenshot of this. After taking the screenshot, then go back, tap on discard, tap on your Instagram profile icon. After that you can see a top right side 3 horizontal line, just tap on that. Just tap on the setting. You can see here help option, just tap on the help option and tap on the report a problem. You can see here just below you will see this enabled option, just tap to disable that and report a problem. Here you need to upload the screenshot what we have taken, just tap on the gallery. You can see we have uploaded this photo, and here you need to mention what actual problem you are facing. Guys, you need to type some of the matter what I have written here. Hi Instagram team, my Instagram reel save option not showing. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. Just you need to type and tap on the next and tap on the send report. You can see here we have successfully submitted this problem. Just close this window. After that you need to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram reel save option not showing on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.